The Artificer Clockwork Cologne by Tabletop Beard. This is an addicting fragrance blend, you guys. It is a cologne, but it's not in your traditional sense of like an old man cologne that you're at the gym and you're like, "Woo, what is that? Tickle my nostrils." This bad boy is smooth. It is bright. It is a little bit refreshing, but you do get some of that muskiness. You do get some of that manliness in there. This is one that my wife personally goes crazy for. I would wear it out on a date night. I would wear it out if I had kind of more of a business meeting. This one is complex. It is layered, it is sophisticated, and it does change throughout the day. As you wear it, some of those bright notes kind of fall off right away, and then it's a little bit more musky, a tiny bit of kind of an earthy note to it. Wonderful if you're looking for a new cologne to add to your repertoire of scents that you have. Check this one out, new by Tabletop Beard. Absolute banger.